Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. My name is Rafsan. I am from Dhaka. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for letting me to talk about my favorite food. Well, speaking about my favorite food, I absolutely adore shingara because it tastes so yummy, so delicious, and it is so crispy. Since my childhood, I like to watch Motu Patlu than any other cartoons. Whenever I saw Motu was eating shingaras, I became so curious to have those. Thus, it has become my favorite food. Although Motu is a fat and chubby boy, but I am well built. Shingara is made with potatoes and breads, which are rich in vitamins and proteins. It keeps our body healthy and fit. Though eating too much junk foods is harmful for human body. That's why I eat shingara twice in a week. I also have some drinks like Coke, 7-Up, Pran-Up, Tiger, Mountain Dew, etc. with my shingara. And also I have sauce with it. Whenever I go outside with my friends to eat, I always order shingara. See, I have got an incredible idea in my head that I can make my friends more cheerful with less amount of money. Okay, now I'm going to tell you 2 fun facts about this food. Number 1, shingara is a small food that I can eat it less than 2 bites. Sounds very funny, right? Number 2, shingara, when I was in my village, 1 shingara's price was like 5 taka. And now, when I have come to Dhaka, here, I cannot get any shingaras less than 20 taka. See, what's the difference here? Sometimes, me and my family members have shingara at our evening meal. My mother cooks it for me and my family at home. I love to eat shingara very much. Oh, at last I can say Happy New Year to all in advance. Stay good, stay safe. Thank you everybody for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.